Hey YouTube, this is my second iPod Touch 4G video. This is the startup of it. As most people don't think it's that much thinner. As you can see, it is extremely thin compared to the USB cable. It is exactly just as thin as a USB sync cable. So let's get this plugged in and start it up. I plugged it in and it's turned on. And I can already tell the new screen is very high resolution. It says it's plugged into iTunes and it's installing device driver software. And there we go. Just got that click. There we go. It's going to want me to register. I'll just do this real quick. Alright. I'll type in my Apple ID. Okay. Right. Just follow the information. Don't want to show you guys everything. And then you click set up as new iPod, or you can just restore it. Put my name in. Just choose whatever you want. Click done. And the sync is in progress. And it's that easy. Syncing all my apps, everything. And we'll just cancel. Just dismiss the home screen. It has Game Center right down there. Do all the stuff. The new camera, we'll check that out. This is very high quality. It's great. It's well full HD almost. And we can flip forward and use this camera. And slide over to video. It's this way and it turns, so it'll save that way too, which means I have a new HD camera, so I will have a bunch of HD videos coming your way, and that's the new iPod Touch. And lock button is no longer up in this corner, it is over here like the iPhone. So that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.